Hello and welcome back. Today, let's see how we can create Valentine's Day greeting card. On the home page, let's go to create a design and here enter folded card. And here we can choose any size. I will choose this one. And now we can choose any design from the left side menu and designs, or we can create our. Click on the white color and go to the top menu, colors, and choose any color as a background. I am choosing this one. Next, let's go to the elements and enter Valentine and click graphics. And now we see a lot of elements, and I will choose this one element. Click on it and we can resize it and put it to the corner. We can click see all, magic recommendation, and choose, for example, other one. Next, go to the elements and enter head pattern, and we see a lot of patterns. I am choosing this one. Now we can change the color, go to the colors, and we can change it. Now I will duplicate, click Ctrl D and put it here. Click right button and send backwards. And here I will write the text. Now let's go to elements and enter Happy Valentine and choose graphics, and we will see a lot of texts. I'm choosing this one, free. And now let's change the color, go to the colors, and we can change them. And here you go. Let's create other one. I will add a page. There is the background as color, this one. And now let's search blobs. Let's go to the elements and enter long outline cloud shape illustration. And let's choose graphics. Now we see 3 clouds and we can choose any of them. We can see magic recommendation. And now we can change the color. Click on the cloud, go to the color, and we can change. And here you go. Now we can rotate them and resize. Duplicate, Ctrl+D. And we can play with colors. Now I will duplicate them and rotate and put it to the other corner, for example, like this. And here you go. Once again, I will duplicate and rotate. And now we can choose the same elements which we use here. We can click Ctrl+C and here Ctrl+V. We can click right button and send backwards. Right button and send backwards. And And we can take the same, for example, text and paste it here. And now we can click print folded cards. And here we can click select the page. We can click inside page or click none. And here we can choose paper type, paper finish, and etc. We here see the prices. Or we can go to share button, click share button, click download. We can choose file type, PDF standard or PDF print. Click flatten PDF, and we can choose the page, for example, current page, and click done. And here we can choose color profile and click download. And here you go. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you!